Hi guys, I'm standing at the top of the tallest building in the world.
This is where it began. Not a tower, Doari. Just sand, machinery, and an impossible idea.
Right here, in this exact desert, engineers were about to attempt something no one believed possible. This soil is the first problem. Loose, shifting sand is the enemy of anything built to last.
Underneath, weak sedimentary layers meant any tower here would simply sink and collapse.
Critics called it a fantasy.
A castle in the air no one could ever actually build.
So engineers designed a Y-shaped foundation, the key to making the impossible stand. Boring machines began drilling the Y-shaped foundation, and the first real step toward the sky.
This is where theory becomes reality. The Y-shaped foundation is finally being built.
The depth is exactly 50 meters. Straight into solid bedrock.
Keep it steady there. That's right, ease it down. Watch the clearance on the right. Coming down now.
Across the entire site, hundreds of piles are poured. The foundation is coming together.
Piece by piece, the foundation is taking shape. But the hardest part is still ahead.
Together, the piles and raft carry over 500,000 tons of weight.
With the foundation complete, the real climb toward the sky is about to begin. With the slab ready, crews begin building the formwork for the very first floor. The first pour goes in. After years of planning, the tower finally begins to rise.
This is the moment the desert stops being a construction site and starts becoming a skyscraper.
The foundation is finally complete. Everything built from here rises straight into the sky.
Right here, the real climb begins. The first floor rises above the finished foundation.
Floor 2 starts immediately. Steel goes down first, exactly like every floor before it.
The formwork climbs itself, floor after floor, never once touching the ground again.
The Y shape is not just design. Each wing braces the others against the wind.
Day after day, the same rhythm repeats, and floor by floor, the tower keeps rising.
At this pace, this tower is already climbing faster than anyone thought possible.
The pressure looks good. Keep it steady. Affirmative. Concrete flowing smoothly up to the deck.
Even as a global financial crisis shakes the world, this construction never once stops. Deep inside, the world's fastest double-deck elevators are already being installed. This tower has just become the tallest structure ever built by human hands.
It is officially the tallest building on Earth. And it is still not finished.
The final piece of the spire locks into place, high above the clouds below. This tower now stands taller than any freestanding structure ever built on Earth.
At its final height, this tower stands more than 800 meters tall.
Now the tower gets its skin, thousands of glass panels fitted piece by piece.
Panel by panel, floor by floor, glass slowly wraps the entire tower in light. At the base, an entirely new attraction begins taking shape. A massive dancing fountain.
Outside and inside, everything is coming together at exactly the same time.
At its unveiling, this tower receives a new name, honoring the nation that built it. Every elevator runs test after test before a single visitor ever steps inside.
Inside, this tower holds offices, homes, a hotel, and one of the world's highest viewpoints.
Every surface on these lower floors is finished to the highest possible standard.
Walking through here, it is hard to believe this was empty desert not long ago.
Keep pushing. Got it. Got it. Check the level. Perfect. Done. Keep an eye on the velocity. I'm tracking it. Readings are stabilizing. Excellent work.
This tower is designed to sway slightly, absorbing wind instead of fighting it.
The tower is almost finished. Soon the entire world will see it for the first time.
Around the tower, the final details of the plaza and fountain are finally complete. The very last details are finished, and every trace of construction disappears completely. As evening falls, the first guests begin arriving, for a night nobody will forget.
Tonight, after years of work, this tower finally opens to the entire world.
Every floor, every window, every system is finished. The tower stands complete at last. From an empty desert to this. Every single floor, every single day, all at once.
For one last quiet moment, the tower stands alone before the whole world arrives.
The countdown begins. In moments, this tower opens to the world for the first time.
And there it is. The tower opens, and fireworks explode across the entire sky.
Below, an enormous fountain dances in perfect rhythm, right beneath the tower's glow.
I have never seen anything like this in my entire life. This is incredible.
For the very first time, the public steps inside this record-breaking tower.
In under a minute, visitors rocket upward through more than 100 floors. The doors open, and suddenly the entire city stretches out beneath their feet.
This view alone makes every single year of construction completely worth it.
Beyond the view, this tower holds homes, hotel rooms, and spaces people actually live in.
From every angle, this tower now defines the entire skyline of the city.
From nothing, humanity built something the whole world will never stop looking up at.
Subscribe to Industrial Evolution for more videos exploring how the modern world is built.